The ancient axiom whispers across time, as above, so below, as within, so without, as the soul, so the world. This is not metaphor, it is law. The outer world is not separate, it is a reflection, a mirror held up to the unseen geometry of your mind, your energy, your essence. Mountains rise and empires fall in accordance with the subtle forces behind the veil. The visible dances in obedience to the invisible. What you see with your eyes is only the echo of what has already been decided in the silence. He who masters the inner, masters the outer. He who orders his thoughts, commands the winds of fate. He who aligns with higher law need not fear the chaos of the surface world. The stars do not move without purpose. The tides do not shift without intelligence. Your life, too, is not random. It follows the pattern of your vibration. You are not separate from the cosmos. You are its reflection in miniature, a microcosm of all that is. The planets spin, and so does the wheel of your own becoming. Every fear, every longing, every desire you hold in the secret chambers of your being casts a shadow into the outer world. This is why clarity matters. This is why silence is power. To purify the outer, cleanse the inner. To change your world, shift your perception. To rise, you must first descend into stillness, into truth, into alignment. As above, so below is not just a teaching. It is a responsibility. You are not a victim of the world. You are its sculptor. You are not waiting for signs. You are the source from which signs emerge. He who understands this does not chase. He aligns, he listens. He assumes his position as a conscious participant in creation. The divine pattern is flawless. It waits only for your recognition. As the sun gives life without asking, so must you give intention without fear. As the moon reflects without distortion, so must your mind reflect higher thought without interference. As the heavens move in harmony, so must your inner world fall into sacred order. Look not to the sky for miracles. Look to your own mind, your own emotion, your own belief, what you hold above. In vision, in spirit, in knowing, will descend below, into form. Not by force, not by effort, but by law. In every breath, the principle lives. What you dwell upon becomes. So dwell with intention, think with clarity, feel with depth, believe with certainty, because the universe does not lie, it only reflects.